show how to make fried spicy potato with pork. For the ingredient, I have some potato, 1 green chili, some chopped garlic, sliced pork, and sugar, soy sauce, olive oil, sesame oil, black pepper, and potato cutter. Okay, right now I'm going to cut the potatoes. Okay, after cut the potato, I'm going to wash the potato 2 or 3 times and then soak the potato in the water for 30 minutes, or you can keep it more. Okay, right now after 30 minutes, I'm going to drain the potato. For the green chili, right now I'm going to cut in small pieces. Okay, right now I'm going to deep fry all the potatoes. Okay, right now after fry all the potato in the hot pan, I'm going to add some oil and chopped garlic and stir fry. And then I'm going to add pork and green chili, add soy sauce, and then add some canned sugar. Add some black pepper, and right now I'm going to add sesame oil. And then the last step, add the potato inside. And then mix the potato and the pork gently. Okay, right now the potato becomes golden brown. So right now I'm going to turn off the heat. And thank you everyone for watching my recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more video.